Hi guys, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Ritika and this video will go one step further and create a landing page for users to join the website. So let's suppose you have several membership packages. This join will help you to describe them in detail from and this join page listing owner can select one of the membership package they want to go for. So here on this site, we already have the GeoDirectory Pricing Manager add-on active. It helps us to create pricing packages. So now I will go and create 3 packages for my website. I will name it Basic, Pro, Professional respectively. So let's create these packages. So coming on to WordPress dashboard, click on GeoDirectory Plugins. So here we have activated GeoDirectory Pricing Manager. So this will help to create separate packages. For this, going on to presses, then on to savings, then click on the packages tab. So first of all, a default free package has been added. So we will edit it first. Then click on right side onto show advanced. Coming on to price, we will keep it 0. Since it's free, we can keep it as much as time we want. We are keeping months. Then on package recurring, select image in exclude fields. Keeping one image unit free. Category also one. Then on the button is active and then save changes. And then click on add new. Then we are naming this package as Pro. Then coming on to advanced settings, click on package recurring and keeping the price, for example $100. We are keeping this monthly and time duration 1 month. Then coming on to exclude fields, we are adding Facebook, featured, images, Twitter and website. So those users who are enrolling into the Pro subscription, they can have access to these features. Then coming on to exclude categories, we are keeping it blank for now. Coming on to image limit, changing image limit to 5 and category limit to 5. Switching on the inactive button. Now click on save changes. Again we will be adding a new one. For this we are naming it as professional package. Add description. So we are keeping price as $150 and keeping it for 1 year. On package recurring, then in exclude fields we can add email, Facebook, featured, images, Twitter, website. Keeping image and category limit as unlimited each. Now we will activate it and then save changes. Now clicking back to packages again. So now all the packages are ready. Free, Pro, Professional. Now we will be creating the join page. Now let's get started. So for this we will go on to pages and then add new page. So we will keep our page name join. Now we will publish it. Now we will design this page similar to this page's join page. The title with its description, through which package can be displayed of our subscription. There is also some additional information below this. Also there is one more section below this. On clicking on to start now, the customer goes on to the subscription package options. So we can design like this or we can make it a slight different design. We need to go to the editor page. So we will be taking a container, clicking on the plus icon, drag and drop a container, then choose the first block. Then we will take heading and then drag and drop it. Then we will copy this title and paste it here. Now we will change its alignment to center. We will center align it. Coming on to style, coming on to typography, we can change its size. So we are changing the size to 36. Then after this we will search paragraph and then drag and drop it. Then we will copy this content. We can paste it over here. Currently we are doing this for demo purpose. Change alignment to center. Now for designing this container, click on this 3-bar icon, then select the container, then coming on to style, giving the container color blue. And we will change the text color to white. Also change its alignment to center. We will also be changing our text content color to white. Now click on plus icon, then drag and drop button. Now coming on to style, keeping button color white and text color black. Now we will change text to join now. Now we will save it and then click on view page. So now it looks like this. So we will be hiding the page title and we will give container padding at top as well as bottom. So coming back to editor page, first of all we will hide the page title. Now coming on to container settings, into spacing, unlink it and add bottom and top padding 40 respectively. Then save it. Now coming back to the content page, we will refresh it. So now it looks like this. Now we will be adding our packages below this. Like this. A subscription page. So for this, we have to come to editor page again. So first of all, we will add a heading like this. So let's copy this. Clicking on the plus icon, selecting the first container, taking the heading, then paste the heading and then refresh it. Then center alignment. Under this container, we will be designing the pricing and packaging. For this, we will search the pricing container and then drag and drop it. We will add it within the container. Then we will change the single to free and alignment center. So we will be selecting the text and then alignment center. So for now, adding under the free subscription, we are taking this example. We will be filling whatever we have kept in the backend. This is just made by dummy content. This is just made by dummy content. And we will edit the button to join. We will add one more heading by clicking on the plus icon. $0 monthly. Then center align it. Then in next one, pro and center alignment. And we will do same thing for this as we did previously. So again we will drag and drop a heading here and we will edit it to $100 monthly. So we will be editing it to $100 yearly. Similarly, we will be filling from the back end as we did in the previous one. Again we will be changing the button and coming on to the third one, changing it to professional. Then again center align. Then duplicating the previous block and then drag and drop under this professional block, under professional package. And we will delete the previous Then copy and drag and drop the heading. We are changing the price to $110 yearly, and then changing to whatever we have added in the backend. That is unlimited image and unlimited categories. Now we will save it and then come to the front end and then refresh it. So now you can see the package is added under the hero section. So now through these separate packages we can add separate listings. For this we need to add separate links for add listing pages.
Back to admin dashboard, we will view add listings under pages.
So now whatever the default is shown is free. So copying the link of free, coming on to free button, we will add the link here. Clicking on the link and then we will add it here. Then coming to the add listing page, selecting the pro and then copying the changed URL and then clicking on the respective button and then pasting the link. Then going on to professional, then again the ID is changed, then again copying it and pasting it onto professional respectively. Then saving it. Then going on to the join us page and then refresh it. Now if we click on this button, the free add listing page is opening. Similarly, if clicked on pro add listing, the page is opening, and if clicked on professional, the page is opening. Now we will be adding a button. On clicking, the page will be scrolled onto this subscription page. For this, coming back to the editor page and then clicking on the 3-bar icon and then going on to the container and then coming on to advanced and then again into advanced, going on to HTML anchor. We will add ID pricing bar and then copy it and then click on join now button and then coming on to general and then we will add its link. For this, coming on to here onto buttons. So on the right side its settings are opened. So coming on to here we will paste up the ID and then save it. Then coming back to the front end and then refresh it, and then when we are clicking it, it scrolls down and comes onto the subscription package. So now we will be designing the next part. More details have been described here. So we are taking example of this page to create the joining page. So we will be creating similar to this. So coming back to the editor page, click on the plus icon and then container, 2-column container, and then in the left one keep image. So we will be keeping image in the left column. So we are choosing from the media library. So we will be adding related to the site. Since it's dummy, so we are adding a random image. Then for the right side, there will be some text, and then below that will be a start now button, on clicking which the page will be scrolled to the subscription package. Now again going on to the search bar and then typing paragraph, then we will drag and drop it into the other column, then paste the text here. and we will make a button to be added below. Then we will add a button at bottom.
We will name it Get Started.
So we will be adding a button at bottom of a paragraph. We will be stating Get Started. Now we will drag and drop a button. So we are aligning it left, and we will change its name to Get Started. Now we will paste the pricing bar ID over here and then save it. Then coming on to the front end and then refresh it. Now clicking on it, it's scrolling onto the subscription and our packages can be seen. So for listing and description, our join page is ready, where the user will be landing onto the subscription page. We can also make more modern designs depending on to the requirement through many builders. So this was it for today. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.